Hello, today we're making Halloween banana ghosts. First, happy Halloween, and I hope everyone stays safe when trick-or-treating today. Take a piece of melted chocolate and melt it in 30-second intervals in the microwave. Then, peel a banana and cut it in half. These two halves will become our ghost bodies. Comment down below what your favorite Halloween candy is and what your least favorite Halloween candy is. Next, in your melted chocolate, dip a fork in and use this kind of as a paintbrush to draw your eyes and the mouth. And you don't need to be perfect, as long as it's an eye, it works. I found this to be the easiest method. You don't need any special equipment and you just need a fork. Draw your mouth and then you are done. That is it. 5 seconds literally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy Halloween. Thank you for watching and enjoy this healthy and perfect Halloween treat.